Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I didn't get to film an intro video, so this will be the intro voiceover right here. But in this video, I'm gonna see how well I can remember how to install a wig and also give the steps that I'm going to do to achieve it. I'm first starting off with a cream foundation. I'm using Ruby Kisses in the shade 14. I'm just putting that all over the lace to match my skin complexion. And now I'm just adjusting the wig to wherever I want it placed on my head. And I feel like that's pretty important. And I'm hair clipping the clips in the back for a more secure fit. Because I cannot lie, these wigs be huge on my head. But then I'm just gonna pull the hair back so that it's not in the way while I'm trying to spray down the lace. I use that in the middle to like resemble a scalp, I guess, and I'm pressing it in to make sure it's really in there. I'm using a black so that I can fill in spots that needed black. Like I think some spots were over bleached. Not I think, they definitely were over bleached, as you guys saw. Going in with some bio silk. I don't know why I did not take those clips out of my head. Like, what was I thinking? You weren't thinking was the issue. But look how much shine that just brought it. And I love that. So we're straightening the hair. I start off with little sections, and then once again, y'all, don't be like me, but I get so tired, lose my patience, and aggravated. So I do real big sections. But here's the finished look. I honestly feel like I did pretty good for my first time coming back with wearing a wig for like a couple of, I don't even know how long. So I think I did pretty good and I liked it. Middle part wasn't so bad, you know. Them ends though, I really could do something about them ends, like cut them or like something, because they look so fried.